What's up guys, welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex and I'm over here in my office space because I just got something on the mail that I'm gonna be testing out, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing because this thing was freaking inexpensive. Before I show you, please let's try to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of October. Help me out, it's free for you. Other than that, if you're new here, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Again, let's hit that 6,000 mark. If you're returning, welcome back. This is Alex, but you can call me Alejandro. And other than that, if you want to help the channel in a different way, check the affiliate links in the description below. I will leave these products linked in the description below if they're still available. And this is what I got. I went ahead and ordered, comes in a heavy duty box where I actually ordered 2 of them. So let's see. As you know, I got 2 axles. So I guess you can kind of tell what I order, and I got them from Amazon. Comes in a box like this, and I ordered 2 of them, 2 pairs. I'm gonna open one of them because why open 2 of them? And I'm gonna show you what is inside. So this is, I don't know if you guys can see this. That's the name, bhfyp bike. That's the brand. And these are a set of front and rear hydraulic brakes. And when I tell you the price, you guys are gonna freak out. Let me tell you how much I pay because it's showing unavailable. But like I said, I will link this product in the description below if I can find it again. And let me see my order details, because I purchased 2 of them. They were $31.98, and then it had a 20% coupon off, 31.98 minus 20%. I ended up paying $26, almost $26, less than $26 for this thing. So it comes well packaged. Oh my god, it even comes, let me show you this thing. So this is the box. It comes like this, of course, closed up, really well packaged. And it's front and rear, and look at this, it even comes with bolts and rotors. Guessing these are 160, but for that price, oh my god, I cannot believe it. Let me show you how this looks like, because there's something cool about this brake caliper that I haven't seen, especially not at this price range. I have never been able to buy some brakes like this, not even from AliExpress. So I just hope that these are good. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be better than the mechanical brakes, but look at this. The air fins right here on these pads. And it's a 2-piston brake. Look at that. Not bad at all. For $25 with the pair. Comes with a side post adapter for 160 to 180. This must be the rear one. And let me show you how the lever looks. It's generic, non-branded. There's no brands whatsoever. The only thing that says right here is mineral oil. And yeah, so front and rear for $26. Can't wait to go ahead and test these things out. So I guess there was just a quick unboxing. I wanted to show you what I got. Again, these are gonna go on the black axles on mine and my dad's, because I just didn't want to have the mechanical disc brakes on them. And I think this is, I still gotta test them. I will do a real-time trail review on these ones, and hopefully they are worth it. Meanwhile, check the affiliates for these products in the description below. If I can find them again, I will link them below, because that price was, even at $31 plus some change plus taxes, is not bad. But they had the 20% coupon off, and I ordered this 2 days ago. They arrived today, so it was pretty darn good. Again, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let's try to hit this 6,000 subscriber mark that I want to do by the end of October. If you're not new but you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you can see the review on these products on the trail. Other than that, that's gonna be wrapping it up for today. And that's it for today, guys. I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.